with you a few more things that I've used to help me with my independence. So first up, I have the scissors. It has the little hole that you can put your hand in, and then it also has a closure that keeps it closed. So now I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to cut. So you can use it to cut your paper. I use it when I was doing my Christmas wrapping, and also if you have your milk bag, you can use it to cut it. You can cut the tags off your clothes. You can use it to do so many things to help you. Next, we have my apron. Most of us are able to get it over our heads, but how do we get it around us? What I thought about was to tie the string. So I already had the string tied, and then I'm just going to put it over my head. And there you have your apron. Now I use it when I'm having my meals and also to prepare meals. You can also use it to transport items from one area to another by putting them in the pocket. The next thing I'd like to show you is a keyring that I put on all the zippers of my jackets so that I can help myself in putting my jacket on. So now I'm just gonna illustrate to you how I zip myself up with the keyring. So when I'm at home and I need to get outside for some fresh air, I'm able to help myself with my jacket. So usually I put my hands in my pocket so that I can get the other side of the zipper in. So I do like that, and then I put my finger in the hole, and there you go. I zip myself up. Now I'm ready for my adventure.